There's your 83 Schwinn. Tennessee Schwinn, we call them. As you know now, if you watched that video I did on how to identify a genuine Chicago-made Schwinn. Spike was assembled by Murray in 1983 from genuine Chicago Schwinn parts. You will see the electro-forged head tube here. Serial number denotes it as a 1983. Rivets on the head badge. I'm sorry, screws holding the head badge on, not rivets. Got an Akisu fork on here. That'll focus for you. There you go. Heavy duty, thick steel fork there. Thing's tough. BMX fork. Diacomp front brake. Forged 4-bolt stem off of an 80s Schwinn. Blue anodized bars. Got the Schwinn chubby grips on here. The comfortable ones. Frame has the standard Schwinn, genuine Chicago Schwinn brake bridge. It's got the pinched stays at the chain and seat stay. It's got the integral kickstand mount. The only thing it's missing are the seams right there where the chain stays meet the bottom bracket. And they reinforce that bottom bracket to handle it. It's actually probably stronger than the full-on Chicago Schwinn. Again, it is a Chicago Schwinn, just assembled by Murray. I'll be listing this one here for sale. Fun bike to ride. The seat is off of a 60s Hollywood. It's actually my favorite Schwinn saddle. It's got the 7 springs on the underside there. It's very comfortable. I like to mount a rear reflector here. White wall tires are good. New tubes. Mountain bike front wheel, vintage. Made in Belgium aluminum hoop. Nothing special about the rear. It's a box rim. It's an imitation 7X Araya. Coaster brake was rebuilt and locks up nice. Do some nice power slides with that. Was just doing a few. Comfortable bike. It's my favorite color, blue too. Tough fork.